So if you've been keeping track of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 leaks, you already know things have been moving pretty quickly. The standard Pocket 4 is expected to launch sometime this month, and we've been covering pretty much every development around it. But recently, something interesting popped up. Leaker Igor Bogdanov shared an image showing what appears to be the Pocket 4 Pro, and this one is particularly interesting because it gives us one of the clearest looks yet at the camera head. Up until now, there was still a big question surrounding the layout of the cameras. Earlier leaks hinted that the lenses might be stacked vertically, but those images were blurry and hard to interpret, so there was still some doubt. This new photo pretty much clears that up. The two lenses are stacked vertically, one on top of the other. That detail might seem small, but it actually tells us quite a bit about how DJI may be approaching the design of this camera. A vertical arrangement works well with the gimbal structure because it keeps the weight more centered along the axis of the stabilization motors. That could help the system stay balanced while the gimbal moves. The previous leaked image technically showed the same thing, but the camera module was barely visible, so a lot of people weren't completely convinced. With this new photo, the layout is much easier to see. Now, whether this vertical arrangement is the best setup is a completely different discussion. For example, the upcoming Insta360 Luna is rumored to use a horizontal dual camera layout, meaning the lenses sit side by side instead of stacked. Each approach likely has its own pros and cons. A horizontal layout could potentially allow for wider optical spacing between sensors, which might help with things like zoom or depth data. On the other hand, a vertical layout might integrate better with a compact gimbal system like the one DJI uses on the Pocket lineup. So this could simply be two companies solving the same problem in different ways. At this point, the expectation is that both cameras could feature a primary wide-angle lens likely paired with a 1-inch sensor, along with a secondary telephoto lens offering around 3 times optical zoom, but we'll still need to wait for more reliable leaks or official details to fully confirm that. What's interesting though is the timing. Leaks suggest that the Insta360 Luna could actually launch this month, which means it might arrive before the Pocket 4 Pro even gets officially announced. Most reports currently point to the standard DJI Osmo Pocket 4 launching first, with the Pro model potentially coming later in the year, possibly around mid-year. If that ends up being the case, Luna could have a bit of an early advantage, at least in terms of being first to market with this kind of dual camera concept. Of course, hardware is only one part of the story. DJI usually has a strong advantage when it comes to software, stabilization, and overall ecosystem, so it will be interesting to see how these two devices compare once everything is officially out. And if more leaks keep showing up like this, we might not have to wait very long before the full picture starts to come together. Peace.